I'm going to show you how to use Google Jamboard today. You can find Jamboard in your waffle. If you don't see it right away at the top, just scroll down and you may see it at the bottom. Another way you could find Google Jamboard is by typing in jamboard.google.com. And then the third way is you'll find it in your ClassLink page in the Google folder. When you open Jamboard, it'll take you to the landing page that shows you all of your jams. These are also stored in your drive. If you have not used Jamboard yet, this will be blank. You can click the plus sign to create a new jam. And this is going to open a blank whiteboard. Okay, you can title the jam. And then you have some tools available to you on the left-hand side. You have a pen. You can also choose a marker, a highlighter, or a brush, and a few colors to choose from. These allow you to draw on the whiteboard. You can also erase. The next tool is your pointer. The next tool is a sticky note where you can type a note, choose a color. And when you click save, the sticky note will show up on the Jamboard. And then from there, you can drag it anywhere you like on the Jamboard. You can resize it. You can tilt it. And with the three dots, you can edit, duplicate, or delete it. The next tool is the image tool. This allows you to get an image off your computer. So maybe you have saved a clip or a screenshot of a piece of curriculum or writing, a math problem, a diagram, or you can do an image search, get something from your drive or your photos. I'm going to do an image search for a graph. You can choose any of these images. When you find the one you want, click it, select, and then it's going to be much like the sticky note. You can drag it around on the page, you can resize it, you can tilt it, duplicate it, delete it, etc. And now you have something that you can write on in your background. Think about things that you could use here also, like a graphic organizer or a map. The third tool is a laser pointer, which allows you to point things out, like this is the origin, and then the line kind of disappears as you're writing. Also, we can create new pages. So that was page 1. I can add a page 2, and then I can navigate back and forth between the pages with the arrows at the top. Some other features that you have available to you are backgrounds. You can choose dots, lines, graph paper, different color backgrounds, just a few choices. You can see another tool up here is to clear the frame. So while you're working, if you just want to wipe the frame clean, you can do that. There's a undo and a redo button at the top as well if you'd like to change your mind. Also at the top of the screen, you'll see 3 dots, which allow you to rename this jam, download this entire jam and all its pages as a PDF, or save just this one frame as a picture, or remove this, make a copy. You'll also see at the top, open on a Jamboard. That's an actual physical interactive whiteboard made by Google, which we don't have, so we won't use that one. You can share this just like you do other Google apps with copy and share using the link here. You can invite people to this jam, and like I said before, this jam is also in your Google Drive. So another way you could share this jam is in Classroom. You would be able to create an assignment and add the jam to an assignment. So I'll go to practice class, go to classwork and create an assignment. And when I click Add, go to Google Drive, and it will show up in your recents in Google Drive since it's something you just created, and add it. From here, you can allow students to view, edit, or have their own copy of the jam. That's one way that you could use this jam. Since we're doing distance learning, another possibility is to screencast yourself as you're doing a lesson on the jam. So you can use screencasting and talk through the lesson that you're doing on this jam and then save it as a video, which would be another way to share it with students.